Hello, my name is George, and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to multi-stream to multiple channels at once using Restream.io. This is a very simple tutorial. If you get lost, as I always say, just go back to the beginning of the video and watch very carefully, and you should be able to get through with no problem and apply it to your own channel successfully. So, couple things that I'd like to add before we start here is if you're trying to restream with a Twitch channel, just remember that if you're affiliated or partnered on that channel, you're going to go against the exclusivity clause in the Twitch TOS. So only restream to Twitch if you are not affiliated on that channel or if you are not partnered on that channel. Another thing is I can't keep track of every single other type of platform that exists out there, so I don't know if they have some exclusivity clause within those streaming platforms, but you can look it up in your particular platform's TOS and see if it is okay to stream to multiple channels that allow it without getting hit with a ban or a suspension of some sort. So in my case, I generally stream to like Mixer, DLive, Twitch non-affiliated account, YouTube, Facebook, so on and so forth at a time. And all of those channels are perfectly okay, as far as I'm aware, to restream to. So yeah, my main channel would be like my Mixer channel that I use Restream on. I go ahead and apply all these using Restream, and I'll explain how this is a very simple process. So let's get started. First things first, you're going to need a web browser like Google Chrome, as you see here. And then you're going to need another application called Restream. It's just a website. I'll put Restream.io in the link in the description below, so you'll be able to go ahead and grab it yourself when this video is completed. So we'll go into search and we'll type in Restream.io. Click enter. And then you'll get to this screen right here. So once you're here, you're going to want to make a new account. So you're going to hit sign up for free and then input the required information to make a new account, so your email, and make a password, and then confirm it through email. And I'm not going to show that because this is a pretty simple process that everyone should be capable of doing on their own. And in my case, I'm going to log in, so it'll take me to this screen, and then I go ahead and log in like this. So once you get to this main page right here, it's a pretty simple process. First things first, you're going to need to add a channel, and as you see here, I've already added a bunch of channels here. But yeah, I can go ahead and delete one so I can show you through the process of adding a channel, for example. Okay, so we're going to click add channel. And then I can go here to where it says, let's say that I want to add a Twitch channel. I can do so by clicking, and then whatever Twitch account that you're logged into here, it'll automatically recognize it. And you'll go ahead and authorize the app. And then once you click the authorize button, it'll take you back to the screen with your channel added as so. If you would like to individually toggle your channel, for example, such as like my LinkedIn here, I choose to stream or do not choose to stream to this account at the same time. If you do not have the paid version, you're going to have to choose beforehand. Sometimes it'd be convenient if I'm streaming to Facebook and if I want to listen to music on a platform that I won't get striked on while I'm live. So I'll like turn off Facebook to begin with, or while I'm streaming, if I have the paid version of this, I can choose to turn it on or off, and then it allows me to do that on the fly. But if you are just using the free version of this, and I'm guessing most people will be using the free version, just make sure that you select beforehand which platforms you'd like to stream with, and if you're going to listen to copyrighted music, then make sure you turn those off at the beginning of your stream, or you'll have to end it and then restart your stream again. So once you've added your channels that you would like to stream to, You're going to look to your right over here. And then over here it says RTMP URL and key. So this is a pretty self-explanatory. Once you have added your channels that you would like to stream to at once, so like let's say for example I'd like to just stream to all of them. It doesn't really matter in this case, but this is your stream key right here. Okay, so we can also add a mixer channel as well. So connect mixer. It'll tell me to authorize again. Groove. So I have all these channels that I'd like to stream at once. And you get your stream key over here on the right side. So under streaming settings, under RTMP URL and key, it's going to give you a stream key. So all you got to do is copy this key. Once you have it copied to clipboard, I'll go ahead and magnify this so it's easier to see. So once you have copied your stream key, and make sure that you have OBS opened up like so, you go into where it says settings, and then where it says stream, and then under service, you're going to want to go to, or you're going to want to select Restream.io. So there's two versions of settings that you can choose from. One is for the Restream.io RTMP server, and one is for the Restream.io FTL server. Now, if you are streaming to Mixer at the same time as a bunch of other channels, then you're going to want to do it under Restream.ftl, because channels like Mixer support faster than light streaming, so you get basically zero latency when you're streaming. It's basically instant. You get to interact with your chat instantly, but most of the time RTMP works just fine. There's not a lot of latency anyways, but if you stream under FTL, again, it's instant RTMP. You're looking at anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds depending on your network. And so, yeah, just choose whichever you're going to be comfortable with and your network's going to be able to support. And then once you have selected your Restream.io platform within OBS Studio, you want to click on Use Stream Key, and then under Server, you can either auto-select or auto-detect. And in my case, I live in Tokyo, so I'll choose Tokyo. And then for my stream key, I will copy and pasted what I just got from Restream.io. I will apply that in my OBS Studio, and then I will click OK. And then if I would like to start streaming, then I can click Start Streaming, and then I will be live on all these channels at once. Sometimes it does take a little bit for the server to recognize that you're streaming. Could be like a minute before you're live on those given channels, and others will be quicker than that, but just give it a little bit of time and then you'll be live in no time. So that's pretty much it. There's one more thing that I wanted to add is that over here in your Restream.io dashboard, there's something called chat. So it's the one underneath the multi-streaming tab. It's called chat. You can click on that, and then basically what this does is it fuses all of your chats from all of your streaming platforms to a single chat, so you don't have to have like a bunch of windows open, and you don't have to look at all your chats separately, right? So this makes that very simple. It's an excellent piece of software. Like this chat is amazing because it shows you your Twitch chat, and it's got a little Twitch icon. If your Twitch chat is moving, it's got a Mixer icon. If your Mixer chat is moving, it's got a DLive icon if you're streaming off of DLive, or if your chat is moving in DLive, and so on and so forth. It's an amazing piece of software that this is. So yeah, just make sure that you're allowed to do this on your platform with your monetization status. That's the most important thing. So yeah, I think that's it. If you have any questions or comments regarding how to use this, or if you have any comments to add to what I've explained today, please put them in the comments section below. I will probably make a video in the future that allows me to go more in depth with this piece of software. And yeah, please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this channel, if you enjoyed the content on this channel. And yeah, I make videos every day, so come back tomorrow for the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.